Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your desktop in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to hide desktop icons on Windows, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To hide apps on your desktop, first of all, go to your computer or laptop desktop screen. Now, right-click anywhere on the empty area of your desktop. A pop-up menu appears. From the context menu, hover your mouse over View. Now, in the extended menu, you will see the option Show Desktop Icons. In the submenu, uncheck the option Show Desktop Icons by clicking on it. Once unchecked, all the app and shortcut icons will disappear from your desktop. They are not deleted, just hidden.